Asari Dokubo may crash with the Igbos wey dey for inside China. As e don enter inside China, go dey talk many talk wey e dey talk for inside Nigeria again o. As e be like this now, they say that Asari Dokubo don go China go dey plan how e wan take create Igbo community for Igbo land o, so that e go rehabilitate Igbo people. Na wetin e talk for im mouth o. Abeg make you watch this video make you see wetin dey happen for that area.
Evening, depending on the part of the world you are viewing and listening to me. A lot of people have no work to do. They no get work to do. A lot of people don't have any work to do. Social media has provided a platform for people for disinformation, to make money at all costs. So in most cases, they just sell lies to the public and the public believe in them. I'm a businessman. I do legitimate business. And I don't peddle drugs. I don't constitute myself into a nuisance in my community and outside my community. I live within the bounds of morality. I set moral goals for myself and moral limits for myself because I'm a Muslim. And as a Muslim, Islam have the strictest moral law in the world today. Islam have the strictest moral commandment in the world today. And as a Muslim, it is the duty of every Muslim to be a Sharia policeman on himself. We might not all meet God's standard for us in this world. The laws of God are mostly to regulate the relationship between man and his neighbor, man and his environment. So, every human being must self-regulate himself in a way that there will be equilibrium and balance in his life. Because if you don't have that, your life will be meaningless. Your life will be chaotic. You will not have peace. You have high blood pressure. And you have a lot of health issues. All the calls, whoos, and cries about people, because I'm at peace with myself. I don't have high blood pressure. When you are doing good, people will come after you. People will call you names because you are doing well. and because you see beyond what others say. A lot of people are limited by their lust. And the greatest problem that we have among the black people, I'm sorry to say, are Igbos. These human beings think that they can go scot-free with whatever they do, whatever they say, whatever they inflict on people. They must have their way. There is Zobu life is, you know, and they're the ones who cry, where, people do this. People hate you, people do this. So why don't you ask yourself? Why don't you ask yourself? Why do people hate us? Oh, because we are succeeding. Are you more successful than the Yorubas? Except you are in delusion and you are deceiving yourself. In Nigeria, are you more successful than the Yorubas? Count the number of billionaires. Count the big cities in Yoruba land and compare it to your states and ask yourself, are we really more successful than the Yorubas? Look at the big commercial cities in Yoruba land. So one, as an Igbo man, one find it very difficult to reconcile that one has Igbo DNA in him, and this is how his people are. This is how his people are. I've never denied that I have Igbo DNA in me. The house I lead was founded by an Igbo man. I've always said it. But I don't envy Igbo people. I don't envy them. I will never envy them. I don't use Igbos as a standard for myself. I have nothing because they have nothing. They have no morals. They don't have morals. He came, Zoimena, who are the one in charge of the oil in Igbo land. The last time I checked, Iguta has oil. The last time I checked, Asa has oil. The last time I checked, all areas Delta Igbos have oil. The last time I checked, Ikwere, Eche, Oba Igbos have oil. The last time I checked, Anambra also has oil. Who is in charge of those oil? Why are you so particular about the oil that we have in Ijo land? Why are you not talking about your own? Why are you not in charge of the oil in your land? Okwa. Why are you not in charge of the oil in Okwa? Why are you not in charge of the oil in Uguta? Why are you not in charge of the oil in Anioma, in Ndokwa? Why are you not in charge of the oil? Why are you bothered about the oil in Kalawa land, the oil in this thing? For your information, there is no Hausa man that's in charge of any oil field in Kalawa land. All the oil fields in Kalawari land are controlled by either Kalawari people or other Southerners. I will not talk of other places. I'm talking of my place. Belema Oil is owned by 10 Jackeries. It's an Ijo man. It's a Kalawari man. And NPC is in charge of OML 18. OML 25. Nobody is in charge of it for now. Balamoil had been in partial control of 25. New Cross is in charge of the other OML. Sokofield, there are people, no northerner is in charge of oil in Calabar land, any oil field in Calabar land. That's where I come from. So I do my own work. I fight for my people. So when you talk of who is in charge of this oil field, start asking yourself, who is in charge of the oil field, OML 11, that goes from this thing to Okwa? Who is in charge of it? Okwa West, Okwa East, and etc., etc. Who is in charge of it? Or who are in charge of the oil field in Oaza, in Oguta, and all this way? Who are the people in charge of it? Who has those oil licenses in Igbo land? Before you start to talk without knowledge, you do nothing. Everything about your life is cheating. Everything about your life is cheating. You continue to make noise and make life difficult for other people. I traveled with an Igbo man to China. And look at what he said. This Igbo man was telling me that he was in South Africa. You people came to South Africa. You spoiled the place. He left South Africa and came to China. And you people are in China. There are so many Igbo people who are enduring. Good and nice Igbo people who are enduring because of this lousiness of you people. The 419, the corruption, anything goes of you people. He met me and said, my brother. And then he's in China. You people have come again. You have come again. You are spoiling business for good people. You are spoiling. If you like, believe the truth. If you like, don't believe it. You are spoiling business for good people. There are good, hard-working Igbos. My great ancestor, Idiaba, left his place, came to Kalawari in the 18th century and was successful, honestly. And he has imbibed that honesty in me. And as the head of his house today, I work honestly. I go all over the world. I am one of the most traveled men on the surface of the earth. This is my 77th country that I've traveled to. I travel always. Because I go and see what is happening in other realms. I see what we cannot achieve. And I try to bring it to my community, replicate it in my community. And God has blessed me immensely. But for every little thing I do, God turns it into diamond. It is not, how will I hate Igbos? But I must tell you the truth. If you are the bad Igbo man, I hate you. There's nothing you can do about it. You are the bad Igbo man, I hate you. You bring a thief, a criminal like Obi, I hate him because I know he's 419. I know he's a criminal. So I will not support him. If you or wherever Nnamdi Kanu comes, I will fight. I told him I will smoke him out. This is not government. See, I say things before they happen. I say things before they happen. I did not. For over 2 years, I haunted him. I told him, I said, I will haunt you. I will smoke you out. I told him 2 years before his arrest that is what I'm going to do to him. And it happened to him. He's crying, bah, 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 bah. He's denying you people. I don't say it, I don't go and hide and do things. I tell you in advance what I'm going to do to you. Because I know by the grace of God, I'm capable of doing it to you. So stay off my lane. Day a day, make a day my day. Nobody will worry nobody. I will not worry you. You too should not worry me. But as long as you take it upon yourself to enter my lane, to worry me, you go carry termite wood, they go house. Because I'm going to worry you. Going to worry real big. Real hard. I made Diabali. You know Diabali? That small, tiny, between dog and cat, animal, that in the night that prey on other animals in the night. Save it. I'm going to prey on you. And I'm going to get you. There's no doubt about that. I tell you, you don't know my name. Sinya Tolu, Legibo Gelebo Nengi, Boli Abere, Njibrobro Kasaborwa. I am the man of my name. We're here. And every honest Igbo man you meet, they can't say it openly like I am saying it. But they complain. If you go to Europe, they complain. I have never been to United States of America, so I don't know. I've been to virtually every country in Europe. Virtually every country in Europe, I've been there. I've been to virtually every country in West Africa. I've been to virtually every country in East Africa. I've been to Morocco, I've been to Egypt. I just flew past Egypt. I transited from Egypt. I've been to Libya, in North Africa. 77 countries. Every country you go to where there are Igbos, the honest Igbos are complaining about their fellow Igbos. I have no business coming to America. I don't have any business in America. I don't even allow my family members go to America. My son is a very good basketball player. There have been several opportunities in America, and I have refused him to go there. I prefer to take him elsewhere. I am with him in China here. I don't have it. See, it is not what attracts you, what excites you, that excites me. Life is not about money. Life is more about good name. When you are satisfied with yourself, with whatever you have, it's better than everything that you can look for in life. Hey, he has this, he has that, he has this. I have everything that a man of my age should have. I have children, I have properties, I have money, I have wives. I have everything that a man of my age. God has blessed me exceedingly above all of my peers. And I am not unmindful of that. Don't go about spoiling places for black people. Collins, if I want to buy private jet, I will buy. If I show you my cars, you run away. There are enough to buy private jet. Where will I fly the private jet to? I'm a German from the Riverine area. Where will I fly it to? I can't fly it in Obama. I can't fly it in Buguma. I can't fly it in Soko. I can't fly it in Skola. I can't fly it in Ekula Maidama. I can't fly it at Abisa. I can't fly it at Tombe. I can't fly it at Ki. So why would I go and buy something that is not useful to me? Is it Rolls-Royce? Is it Maybach? Is it Brabant? G-Wagon? Defender? Is it what would you call? Huh? What cars would you call? Is it children? Over 22 children? Almost all of them doing well. Is it houses in different parts of the world? Is it this thing? Is it relationship with people? At 60 years, do you think it's easy to be 60 years? How many people live up to 60 years? Is that not a blessing? See, you people should not be spoiling things for people. The lamentation of many Igbos in China, wow. They literally tell you that these things that their fellow Igbo does is giving them hell in the countries there. This is not the only country I have come to and I have heard. Before even they see you, Asari, I'm meeting you, you are doing a good work, you are saying the truth. They just volunteer to tell you, to lay their complaints. They are groaning under the activities of this rogue Igbo element who makes things difficult for them. And once people hear that they're Igbos, they now lump everybody together. The crimes and activities of Igbos affect all other people. Go to Dubai. Go to Dubai and see their cultism, their this, their gangsterism. They carry their cults from Nigeria and go to Dubai and start fighting and start killing people. The other day I was watching a social media skit. The social media, somebody saw him wearing red and asked him, who goes or whatever? Whether you, whatever. And the man said, so you carried this thing from home and brought it to Italy? Who is stopping Nnamdi Kanu from coming back? Let him come back now. Me, I'm here. So where did he go to? Did he die? Let him come back. Don't say he's coming back. Let him come back first. They carried cult to Dubai. As long as you people will not reprimand yourselves, you people will not caution yourselves, you continue to suffer disgrace. You continue to lose respect. You continue to lose your properties. As far as you cannot caution yourselves, as far as you cannot caution yourself, you should be able to caution yourself. That is it. That is why Ikore people are saying they are not Igbos. That's why normal people are saying they are not Igbos. That's why Ndukwa people are saying they are not Igbos. That's why Oba people are saying they are not Igbos, even though they are Igbos. Because of this. Igbos are the only people are running away from that they are not. In Nigeria, in all over the world. Look at Yoruba people. Yesterday, I was watching something from people in Ghana, Ewe people, Badagry people, all of them. They are claiming the same ancestry with Igbos and with Yorubas. Their languages are not the same. Egun language is not the same with Yoruba people. Even Aworis cannot be Yoruba people. In the real sense, Aworis are not Yoruba people. Egun people are not Yoruba people. But all of them are claiming to be within the Yoruba. Yoruba hegemony. But your own, everybody is denying you. Everybody is denying you. They don't want to be Igbos. And you ask yourself question. God, how can you force anybody? Are you not ashamed? Are you people not ashamed of yourself that you are forcing people? They are Igbos. The one that says is Igbo, me that says I am Igbo, because I'm telling you the truth, that I'm not Igbo. Oh yeah, now I'm not Igbo. So what can you do to me? I am not Igbo. What can you do to me? I'm not Igbo. So if I am not Igbo, it will stop me from advising you people, telling you the truth. I will continue to tell you the truth. Today I saw somebody saying that today you say something, tomorrow is another thing. Hope them hired me. I came to Imo State. I've been killing people. I am not insulted. This one. I came to Imo State. I think you say you are strong. You are powerful. You are this. You are that. So why are you complaining about one man? That one man is killing you people. If Nnamdi Kanu had been civil as a leader without abusing people, without calling himself Kamadike, this one, that one is this, is that, who will accept such nonsense from you? If Igbos are used to be slaves to accept such things from people, how do you expect an Igbo man who had gone to naturalized as an Ijaw man, had so much Ijaw blood had entered his DNA, Ijaw DNA had mixed with his Igbo DNA and had produced him? How do you think that I will accept such nonsense, degrading position of Amadike, supreme leader, this one? Is that how they fight for freedom? You have not even won. You have appropriated all the position to yourself. You have not won. You have appropriated all the position. So because you see me travel, you say I have run away. I'm coming back. In the next few days, you see me. I don't run. I'm coming back. Let him come, so that I will see him and I will know him. So that is it. Please, these few days, 3 days I've been in China. My dear Igbo brothers and sisters, there is a need for town hall engagement in Igbo land. There's a need for education of Igbo people, so that all of us will be proud of our ancestry. Ikwere will not be running away. Eshe will not be running away. Oba will not be running away. Ndokwa will not be running away. Anocha will not be running away. People will not be running away from Igbo. We need to hold a town hall meeting. We need to talk to ourselves. We need to scale down on many things we are doing that does not sit well with other people. We need to learn how to live with other people so that they can accept us and embrace us. I don't believe in people flattering you, charlatans, flattering evil people. This is massage your ego. And it's a lie. They are just deceiving you people. You yourself know the truth. You yourself know the truth the same way I know the truth. We all know the truth. And we have to do serious. So we have to. It has become very imperative. It has become very imperative that we have to do so. These 3 days I've been in China, it's a litany of complaints. Complaints by Igbos, by fellow Igbos, that these people are coming. They are coming. They are flooding the place. They are going to spoil the place for us. Somebody who set up a lucrative business because of his fellow Igbos, not because of Ijaw people, not because of this. In a particular place in South Africa, in Lagos, he has to move when the people come because he cannot talk to them. He cannot advise them. They will call him a sabo, and they will do everything to eliminate him, to set him up, to kill him. I have met a pastor before. The same thing. The same thing, a pastor. Complaining about all sorts of Igbo so-called pastors. Look at the way they are bastardizing Christianity. That's a pastor. All these people are afraid to come out to talk because they don't want to be blackmailed. They don't want to be intimidated. Go to Tinasa, go to Osomogo, go to Lilu, go to Oshun, go to Okwo-Otutu. Go to Okwo-Otutu. Go and see the level of destruction. People destroying their own land and telling the world. Then one idiot called Simeon Okpa is there collecting your money and deceiving you and telling you he's doing this, he's doing that. And because you cannot talk, because you are afraid, you keep quiet and you're dying in silence. You are dying in silence. How long will you continue that sort of life? How long will you continue that sort of life? How long would you play the ostrich, burying your head on the ground with all their body exposed? I'll continue to give you updates on my stay in China. I'm in the city of Zangon. I'm going through the trade fair. I'm doing a lot. I'm seeing a lot of things. It's magic here, my brothers. I'm not going to talk much about China. China is not in the same league with Nigeria. So if I come and be talking about China, I'll be comparing a mud house with a skyscraper. I won't do that. When I go to Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Dubai, and all these other smaller countries, emerging first world, I used to compare, but China is way off. Let's not just talk about China. I'm on the 32nd floor of the World Trade Center. Yeah. Honorable Dora, and you know, the rooms are very expensive. Very expensive. Dutch Puppy is one individual. This is the problem, always defending yourself. It's terrible. The cultism and everything they're doing. Who are the lieutenants of Hush Puppy? Virtually every one of them is Igbo. Who set up Hush Puppy? Is he not an Igbo man? Who betrayed him? They are all ancestors. I'll be updating you daily on my stay here and the activities of our people. on the activities of these people. Nobody is complaining about Yoruba people in China. Yeah, I've not met any. I've met several Yoruba people. I flew with them to Cairo and I came. No Yoruba man has complained to me about the activities of Yoruba people. Igbo people are volunteering. Some of them are so fed up. Honest, hardworking Igbo people. They are just being put into difficult positions, boxed into a corner by their fellow Igbos, which is wrong. It's very, very wrong. God made us Igbos. He did not make us to constitute problem for others and ourselves. He made us Igbo to live amicably with other Igbo people, with other people in the world, with ourselves and others. He didn't make us Igbos to make life difficult, for other people and ourselves. Let us try to consider other people. All the monies we are making, it does not reflect at home. You go and see some mansion that after some years, like Eziego mansion, will be abandoned. It doesn't reflect in Igbo land. The money we claim we have and we are making, it doesn't really reflect. Mansions that will be abandoned and whatnot, like Eziego mansions, are not the things we really need economic revolution and development. We help, we light, we do a lot of things. All of a sudden in Aba, they have 24 hours light supply. We have this, we have that lights. Why do we always lie and believe in Okoko and them and Senator this thing propaganda? We should caution ourselves. We should caution ourselves. We should caution ourselves. It's not good. In Nigeria, we have problems. In Ghana, we have problems. In Cote d'Ivoire, we have problems. In South Africa, we have a problem. Now we want to be having problem in China, we have problem in Dubai. Everywhere we go to, we have problem because we are not able to separate our interests from the interests of the generality of the people we live with. We must be able to look at the interests of other people and see how our own will be accommodated without our own affecting the interests of other people. Money is not everything. Money is not everything. Sad. It's very, very sad when your fellow Igbos complain about you. Your fellow Igbos complain about you. But you are making life unsafe for them. You are making their business environment unsafe for them. You are making their well-being unsafe for them. Why? Why don't you advise yourself and change so that you'll be able to live amicably with other people? I can keep on talk and talk. It's sad. This is sad. We have to correct ourselves.
My people, make una share this video and make sure say they follow this page for more updates as e dey hot. Abeg o, drop your own opinion for inside comment section.